Advanced Vocabulary with Urdu Meanings. Part 6. Subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Erupt, verb.
फूट पड़ना, आतिशफिशां का फटना, भड़कना.
Example, Mount Pinatubo began erupting in June. 2. Sordid, adjective.
बदउनवान, घटिया.
Example, the story paints a sordid picture of bribes and scams. 3. Shoddy, adjective.
गुमराकुन, भद्दा, मसनूई, बनावटी.
Example, we're not paying good money for shoddy goods. 4. Evade, verb.
टाल देना, भाग जाना, निकल जाना.
Example, friends helped him to evade capture for a time. 5. Succumb, verb.
मगलूब हो जाना, हार मानना, शिकार होना.
Example, we cannot merely give up and succumb to despair. 6. Erode, verb.
काट देना, कम होना, खत्म कर देना.
Example, the cliffs on this coast have been eroded by the sea. 7. Imperious, adjective.
जा रहना, आमिराना.
Example, his imperious demands. 8. Averse, adjective. Example, as a former CIA director, he is not averse to secrecy. 9. Studious, adjective.
मेहनतकश, मुताला का शौक.
Example, he was quiet and studious. 10. Excruciating, adjective.
अज़ियतनाक, शदीद ज़हनी कोफ्त.
Example, excruciating back pain. Subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.